Hello viewers, Banana Boss here with another Skype tutorial. Today I'm going to show you two cool things you can do with lists. So this is the first thing I'm going to show you to create, and then the next thing I'll do later on. Alright, so let's create a new project. So I'm going to call this Data Stacker. No, actually Data Logger. Alright, so let's create a new project. Alright, so first of all we want to get a when green flag is clicked. We want to also create two lists and a variable. So this variable will be number. So at the beginning we want to set number to 1. We want to go to 0, 0. Want to put pen down. We want to set pen size to 5, and then we want to put in a forever. Then we want to get if. And we want to go to sensing, and if mouse down, we want to add two things to each list. So we want to add mouse X to stack X and mouse Y to stack Y. And then we want to glide 1 second to X stack X and Y stack Y. But of course we can't do that. We need to do item and item. So let's put away these. So we want to do item number of stack X and item number of stack Y, and then we want to change number by 1. So let's check this out. So now it's going to do that. So basically it's going to go to wherever you click and it's stacked or it's logged all the things you've done. So now we'll move on to the next thing that I'm doing. Another cool thing we can do with the list. So let's call this names. So this is basically a random selection. So at the beginning, we want to ask what's your name, and we want to add answer to names. But also you can put this username, which won't work offline because I'm not on the site. So username gave the name answer. So we'll add that to names. Right, so Joe. So gave the name Joe because of course I'm offline. Right, it's allowing us to edit that, which is pretty cool, but anyway. Okay, so what we can do after this is say item, then we can pick random to length of names, so 1 to length of names. We can say that for 5 seconds. So let's say James, give the name James. So only problem is it's going to save that as well. So let's just not have that in it. Alright. So now let's just quickly delete 1 and 1. Right. Now let's test. So Joe. So it's going to say Joe. We can have James. Now it's going to say James. So let's say Lewis. It's going to say Joe. Let's say Peter. It's saying James. See, it's going completely random. Let's have Morris. Don't even know if that name's used anymore, but if it is, okay. Let's have Jude. Let's have Mac. I don't know. So basically what it's doing, it's picking between length of names, which is 7, because that's the length, by the way. So it will forever, we don't need to put a number in it, we can just put pick random 1 to length of name, so it can be as random as it wants to be. Alright, now I'm gonna share this to the website. So I'm gonna call this put name in, get random 1 back. Let's put get a a random one back. So banana boss YouTube. So yeah, hope you enjoyed. Please like, comment, favourite, subscribe. It means so much, and I will see you all next time. Banana Boss out.